you know my heart and all my desires, and the secret things I'll never tell. Lord, you know them well. Though I may be young, I see and understand that at times like sheep we go astray and things get out of hand. So I promise to be true to you, to live my life in purity as unto waiting for the day when I hear you say, here is the one I have created just for you. Until then, oh Lord, I will be content, knowing that true love will come someday. It will only come from you, 'cause I have seen the suffering that loneliness can cause when we choose to give our love